Dear friends, in this episode we are going to learn how we learn and how we can improve our learning. Let's start. Human learning may occur from many resources and places. A child starts learning and continues learning throughout his life. Human gets learning from home, society, education, training, schools, colleges, universities, etc. Human brain has the ability to get new learnings or modify existing learnings of knowledge, skills, values, preferences, or behaviors and result into production of different types of information which is stored in human brains. Learning is the one of the greatest gift by God to human brain. Learning is not the activity of one day, but it is a lifelong procedure, and also learning not limited to acquiring facts or collection of terms, but it is a procedure called as learning procedure. Now question is how we can start learning in better way. This is a question which is generally asked by many students, teachers or educational institutions, but answer is one, that is good learning practices should be followed to get better learning. Good learning practices include reading good content, focus on topics which you should want to learn with full concentration, use of visual and audio sources so a person utilize his vision as well as listening sense to acquire learning. Use of multimedia in classrooms like by playing animation, video, 3D pictures, etc. also results in great learnings. You can also improve your learning in different ways, like if you want to get learning about a topic, then first read it that content and then get information from another human beings like your teacher, professor, and also watch some video content so it gives you some visual effects in your brain, and also try to learn from audio files. So audio content also makes some signals in your brain which help you to recall your content or your learnings when you required. So these types of effects which include audio, video and visuals help you to acquire more knowledge and good recall of knowledge when it required. Thank you to learning. Thank you to listening this episode. This episode is brought to you by www.chemistrynotesinfo.com.